How to deposit to your Fiat wallet. Go to your portfolio screen and tap on your Fiat wallet. Click on Deposit and Withdraw. Then select Deposit. Read the steps and proceed by clicking I understand, continue. Now you can select the bank account you wish to deposit from. Enter the desired amount and proceed to see the bank transfer instructions. Follow the instructions to complete the transfer through online banking. Go to your banking app. Ensure the date and amount of the bank transfer match your deposit request on Rain. Now go back to the Rain app and click I've made the bank transfer. Done. You can find a summary of the deposit under your Fiat wallet and you will be notified once the amount has been added successfully. If you wish to learn more, visit rain.bh or contact our support team. With you, every step of the way.